In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer Google Photos from one phone to another. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Google Photos, then sign into our Google account, and once it is done we need to tap right here at our profile picture and then select Google Photos settings. After that, tap it Backup, and here make sure Backup is enabled on your old phone from which you would like to transfer photos to your Google Cloud. Then just wait until all photos are backed up, and then on your another phone you need to get to the same place, to a backup page here, and then just activate the same option to start transferring photos from your Google Photos Cloud directly to your new phone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.